What's up guys, it's Jordan here and I'm back with another video. Today it's going to be part 2 of a back to school haul. This is going to be a lot smaller. It's got a pair of shoes and some more clothes from SheIn. My other video, if you haven't checked that out, go check it out. It's a huge back to school haul, multiple pairs of shoes, lots of different clothes from SheIn, from Fashion Nova. So I will link that in the cards up above somewhere. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you can be part of the Just Jordy fam, and that notification bell so you can be notified every single time that I upload. And let's go ahead and roll that intro. First, we're gonna start off with a pair of shoes. So these are the Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in the color, in the smoke gray. So this is what they look like. I got them in a size 4.5. In my other back to school haul, I got a pair of the Royal Toes and they're size 5. And they fit like really large. And this is the 4.5 and they fit like perfectly. So, 4.5 definitely works better on me. This is just a close-up of what they look like. These are so clean. They have the gray and the black and white. Right now I have the black laces in, but they also came with white laces. And I got these from a shop that I found on Instagram called Soul Serious. And if you already saw my other back to school haul, you would know that those Royal Toes took like 5 weeks to come in, and these shoes took like a week and a half. So I'm definitely going to be ordering from them again. And they have Affirm, which is basically if you've used like Afterpay or Sezzle or anything like that, it's basically you get to set up credit-free payment plans. So I only have paid $90 on these shoes so far. They were $260, I believe. So that's really great if you want to get some nice shoes that ship really fast and you don't have to break the bank all at once. I highly recommend. I'll link it down below. Okay, now going into my SheIn purchases. So first we're gonna start off a little bit fun. This has been in my cart for the longest, like over a year, and so I decided, you know what, I'm gonna actually get it, have some fun with it. And this is basically a Selena Costume. Like, it's literally her costume. It fits perfectly. I have on a strapless bra, so that's what this is, just because I don't know how this works. So I definitely have to pin this down to make sure that it doesn't reveal anything. For now, we can kind of just tuck that in there, bring this up a little bit. But yeah, this fits so nicely. This is an extra small. I'm gonna try it without a bra and see what it looks like, but 2 thumbs up for me. Okay, next I have this blue business dress that fits so nicely. It's looser on the top and it cinches in the waist, and it comes about 2 inches above my knee. But y'all, this fits so nice, and it's not, the material is really nice. It's not too thin, but it's also like really good. It's not thick at all either, which is good for Texas. And I'm thoroughly surprised. I really thought that this was going to be like real hit or miss, because I've ordered like business type clothes from them before and the material just isn't right. But this, I really like this. Okay, next I got this one shoulder Cheetah Print top, and it is this velvety soft material. You will notice this is the first item of many Cheetah Print items that I got in this haul. I was really feeling Cheetah-licious. But yeah, this is really nice. It's very cropped, as you can see. I have on some high-waisted jeans right here. This is the back. Yeah, I like it. I mean, it's simple, it fits nice, it's cute. Gets 2 thumbs up. Next, I have a businessy type shirt, and this is super cute. Comes with a belt, but I got this because of the sleeves, and this is a hit. So I think I'm gonna get it. They have it in a couple other colors, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and snag that. It was a piece tucked in. But this is really nice material. Like I said, thick, but not too thick. Like I'm gonna be able to wear it in like Texas, summertime, fall time. And like, this is nice. I really like the sleeves are what's really getting me, like. And I just got in this royal blue color again. Blue and orange are currently my school colors. And I think I look good in royal. It's a nice business color, blue is. So it's a little bit of a peplum. It's kind of short. Yeah, this is cute. I'm gonna get this in more colors for sure. But before we move on to the next clothing item, I did get one accessory, a pair of earrings. So they're just these hoop butterfly earrings. There you go, if you can kind of see them, but yeah. Next we have another cheetah print top. This is super cute. You can see my bra right now. Well, kind of. You can't see from far away, but close up you can see my bra, so I probably wouldn't wear one with it. Or just wear like sticky boobs or something like that. This is very thin though, like damn near swimsuit cover up. Like not even damn near, like this could be just a swimsuit cover up. It's really thin, but it's cute. This looks good on my skin tone. I think that's why I'm like obsessing over cheetah, because like it looks really good on brown melanated skin. So yeah, this gets like, it's really cute. And the style is nice. It gets about, I would give it an 8 out of 10. It gets like 1.5 thumbs up just because it's really thin. So this top is so freaking stretchy and soft. I am obsessed. If you saw my other haul, you'd see that I got a lot of these like collared style tops, and this color, this caramel color, is just calling my name. It is cropped. This is just giving me real 90s like brandy vibes. It's so soft, y'all, and like it's so stretchy. Look at that. So another cheetah print top. Who's surprised? But this is one of those tie front tops. I really wanted one of these, so I picked up one in cheetah print. Of course, you can still see like my nude bra, so probably wouldn't wear one. And then I'm gonna cut these little strings off because they keep on poking out. But I'll just play with this on how to tie it. I already feel myself like keep wanting to pull it up because like this keeps falling down. But it's super cute. You can even like, let me see. You can even switch it around and wear it as like a bandeau and tie it in the back. That's actually really cute. I think I may even like it this way a little bit better, but you can be versatile with it. It's literally basically like a scarf. So it gets like 9 out of 10 stars. And the final thing in this haul is this cute little cheetah print slip dress. It is like the perfect length. It comes like right above my knee. It has these slits on both sides. And I was kind of nervous that this wasn't gonna fit, but it fits. The straps are a little bit big, like they keep falling down, but that's an easy fix. But it fits really nicely everywhere else. Like it's nice and stretchy, but also it's not stuck to my skin. It's really like breathable, and I feel like sexy in it. Like if I were going on a date, I need to find like a person to go on a date with first. But this would definitely be a cute outfit with some black heels. I like this a lot. Then I'm gonna start buying more stuff like this. I'm really getting out of my comfort zone, y'all. This is the last thing in the haul, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, definitely check out my last back to school haul. It was like 3 times bigger than this, so if you want to watch a longer video, go check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. My social media is always linked down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.